always don't want anything to do with French people, French in general. So we want our Creole, we fight, and we stick with our Creole.
Yeah,
and I want to learn Igbo language so bad.
Yeah, we have to learn our languages. I want to learn Bariba, Boko, Creole. I want to learn Hausa. I want to learn a little bit. You have to, but sometimes it's best when you're talking to people and they just teach you. And maybe when you move and travel, but learn Creole and learn Igbo is a big thing. But in Igbo land, a lot of schools were built by Christian missionaries. So everything was based on religion, getting educated. The same thing in Africa. A lot of the Northern Africa, they had the Muslim education system. So we got our education system from white people all over Africa. So that's the issue that we're dealing with. But yeah, it was with Haiti. I think we just have to find a way to promote the idea that Haiti has rural sections. They still have the chiefs. They still have the courtyard, laku, the different indigenous ways to meet. We really have to promote it and promote that Haiti still has an African government people don't know about, or we call it traditional government, customary government, and that's why people the U.S. and West is trying to destabilize it. But I think Haiti's always had or has had for a long time, an African sector of government where they're trying to openly promote African culture. And
yes, because we never be connected with Africa. It's like the generation from generation, we always connect like the culture. We keep the culture like 100%. Like the clothes, the food, the way it's like, I don't know, we always connected to
with Africa. But even in my language, Vodun, you could say something called like a Ife Odinala, which means things that deal with the earth. Congo, it's the energy that deals with the earth. Ife Odinala or Futu in Congo. We're talking about energy that's they call it consubstantiation, how energy moves, how to manipulate it, whether it's anger or water or different. It's just talking about metaphysics and different ideas of organizing the world. But there's a Vodun sector of government in Haiti, and that's how I met Wilson Bertrand online. His phone number was listed as part of one of the organizations there. And that's how we connected. But it's been 4 years, and we're just narrowing it down to Haiti. We call something called West Florida or New Africa, Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, the Gullah Geechee Nation in Florida. So this whole southern eastern corner of the USA is connected to the Caribbean. And we just say, let's connect with the rural communities, and let's make our own kind of universe. So that's going to be the headquarters.
Yeah, my lord, just of recent, there is a new development in the educational system of Nigeria, which allow the teachers to teach the pupils maybe from primary 1 to 6, and even in secondary schools, to teach the local languages. And here in Borgu, we're about to key into it so that we can teach our students the Bisan language, the Boko language, and the Bokoboro language.
Is there other? Yeah, that's good. We can teach Creole.
Yeah, there used to be French teachers in most of our schools before when I was growing up.
Wow.
But now, but now we don't have them like before. It's only one school that I can say they're teaching French up to date. Which is there is a school called Borgu Science College. Wow. So they are still teaching French.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
These guys are in Burkina Faso, Mali, Nigeria, probably Ivory Coast, Ghana. They're all over West Africa, the old Mali Empire. So this is a good partnership.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so hard to get rid of the lack of French language, but it's not a problem to teach like your own language. So in Haiti, like everyone speak Creole. It's just like if you're Haitian, there's no way you don't speak Creole. So we know. I think we Haitian, we know we Africans, we fight for so hard to get our freedom, and we love like we love like we are African, we black, we come from Africa. It's like we stick with like our ancestor, our past. So it's just so hard to get rid of Creole, because we reject like the other language. It is like we rejected other language, but we accept our Creole because to
Creole has African words and grammar.
Yes, exactly.
So it's an African.
Yeah, Queen. In Nigeria, it is not like that. Nigerians are proud to speak English, and as such, many languages are going to extinction. That is the problem here. We're proud to speak English in Nigeria.
Oh wow! Even here, when we go places, we speak Creole. We don't care. We speak English like with people like other people, but we speak Creole everywhere we go.
That's good.
Yeah, and that's good. And another thing, brother Prince Yakubu, my lord.
Yes,
Haiti,
my lord.
when Haiti was getting free, what they did, they went into the forest or the grassland, and then they did a ritual where they said that their God is black, and that's how they're going to get free. Everybody had to pledge allegiance. But in Africa, even in Igbo land, we had to pledge allegiance to the white Jesus to get our education, and that's the English education that you see in Nigeria. So a lot of people, they associate being rich with white Jesus and the church and education. It's all tied together. That's why Igbo land's been so difficult. That's what they know: money through the church and education through the church schools. So that's why it's just taking so long. But we have some people now that are starting. I think what Haiti could help lead, like you said, represent Igbo land in the diaspora, because they got a lot of things right. And maybe the rest of Igbo land, Nigeria, will follow. So
Yeah. There is a mountain here in Nigeria called there is a mountain here in Borgu called Jekana. It's called Jekana Mountain. So there used to be rituals before, but now religion has taken over everything. The place is just as good as abandoned.
Wow.
That is the issue.
I think with Nigeria too, there's a tribal problem. Like with Haiti, when we got our independence, they said, we just black. We want freedom. We didn't say, oh, I'm from Congo, you from Congo. We still gonna divide it. We were united to get our freedom. Mm-hmm. So we Haitian, so it's also hard. If we don't do DNA, we don't even know which part of Africa that we come from. But Nigeria is more complicated because, everyone knows they're from a different tribe. So it's making it harder.
That's actually all over Africa right now. We used to know we used to have empires based on. Well, some of them had empires. So the Mali Empire. Right now, if you follow French news in Mali, you can see that they're uniting different countries. From the Mali Empire, there's Burkina Faso, Guinea Conakry, and which is the other one? Burkina Faso, Mali, and Guinea Conakry are trying to unite, since they know that they have the old Mali Empire Let's start.